Hey guys, what's up? Today, I'm with Enderstorm. We're gonna be playing Call of Duty for Absolute Chaos. We're gonna be causing absolute chaos, which is my favorite.
So let them fuck. This is a little bit blowing. Yo, bro, how old are you, bro?
Rossi, you're coming back.
We're in a game.
So let them fuck. This is a little bit blowing. Yo, bro, how old are you, bro?
Rossi, you're coming back.
We're in a game.
Yo, who's playing those sounds? Okay, stop please. Playing those sounds. Play for COD, bro. Stop playing those sounds, please. Hey, Enderstorm, was that you playing those sounds?
Domination.
Was that you playing those sounds, Enderstorm?
No, Niggy Funk, Niggy Funk.
Where it happened.
Bro's not asking for funk, little bro.
Secure it, zone A.
I know it is.
Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way, bro. Little bro just came out the womb.
Bro, no way.
Bravo. Bravo.
Can you
one.
play Yeeky
Come
Funk?
on, you're losing
Who
it.
the heck said that? I can't even
Lock it
turn.
down, Bravo.
I can't, you know what, for the whole... I can't turn.
Can you play Yeeky Funk?
Bro, we ain't playing none of that, bro. I don't know what she's talking about. We're not gonna play any of that.
Requesting recon above. Taking control. We lost B. This shit ain't working. We lost the advantage. Taking Bravo underway. Bravo zone secure. We got the lead. Now hold it. Requesting care package deployed.
What is this Diddy Blood doing on the calculator? It's blood Einstein. What is this Diddy Blood doing on the calculator? It's blood. What is blood doing with the tongue? Is he tongue sucker or is he a suspect in dirt? He barely making it. Means wait. I think I know what he's doing.
Bro, get that shit on my ear, bitch ass nigga. Get that shit on my ear, Bro, get that shit on my ear. You not funny, you bitch ass nigga. Get that shit on my ear. He's not funny, bro. I could tell you the type of nigga that's not funny, bro. Get that shit on my ear, bitch ass nigga. Fucking lame ass, mark ass nigga. Nigga, he's not funny, nigga. He's spamming that shit. Shit not funny, bro. How'd I tell you? Nigga's not funny, bro. How'd I tell you, bro? Like, that ass, bro. I know you the type of nigga get bullied at school, bro. Fucking bitch ass, mark ass nigga. Like, niggas spamming that shit in the mic think he's funny, bro. Like, niggas not laughing. Like, niggas stop fucking that shit, bro. Get ass, bro. Look, get at me, bro. Set that shit.
Bro's getting mad over a video game. That's straight up mad.
Yes, because I don't want to hear that shit in my ear. Like, what are you talking about? I don't want to hear that shit, man.
Well, I'm not the one playing, but you're kind of the one being rage baited, bro.
What's going on?
Nigga,
He's being
that shit not funny.
so hard, he's starting to cry.
That shit not funny. How do I tell you that shit not funny?
He's
That shit dead as hell, bro.
There you go. Yeah.
That shit not funny, bro.
I don't know, bro.
I hope your house burned down tonight, bro. I hope your house burned down tonight, bro. That's bad, bro.
Hey, bro, I'm not the one being rage baited over it, is you?
Nigga got a fucking voice. Nigga just damaged shit, bro. Nigga don't even know what's going on.
We got a clip. We got a little bit from that one dude.
I'm not even recording. I'm just doing this shit to giggles.
I'm recording this. I'm doing it, but on potato graphics.
Bro, why the hell do you have Fly Octo Fly?
Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said,